Welcome to Mystical Minds. I am your host, Jamie Gerard, and today I will be reading poetry and prose from Danny Martin Gerard. He's the author of the Poetic Cues trilogy. You can find his work at DannyGS.fortoday.com or Mystical Minds YouTube channel and podcast, co-owned with myself, Jamie Gerard. Steadfast, unwavering faith. The front step seems insurmountable as I'm marching patiently and steadfastly in the face of the storm. The wind is cold in a blizzard fog, and I cannot see the mountain top. I pause and declare my victory while waiting in appreciation for what lies ahead. I wait until the path appears as the next logical step. As the wind comes surging through, I allow it to guide me to my destination, while I steadily gaze at the forefront with no fear, only steadfast, unwavering faith. Thank you so much, Danny G. That was powerful. And now, I'd like to take a moment with you for gratitude. So if you're able, please close your eyes and think of the good in your life right now. I am grateful for my health. I am grateful for my family, and I am grateful for my friends. What are you grateful for? Now, take a deep breath in and let it out. With love, thank you so much for listening and have a beautiful day.